With HTS Chemical, you'll experience a relentless commitment to manufacturing high-performing concrete chemicals, coatings, and application equipment, purpose-built for installers. What began over 25 years ago as a mission to repair damaged concrete has grown into a full line of solutions to coat, seal, repair, polish, and protect concrete floors. Legacy products like PE85 joint filler and TX3 repair material remain top-tier favorites in the industry, relied on by contractors around the world. Our 82,000 square foot headquarters in Indianapolis manages the entire process in-house, from batching polyurea, epoxy, and urethane products, to packaging in every format, from cartridges to totes, to mixing over 400 colors on demand. Quality control at every step ensures every product ships consistent, reliable, and on time. Our chemists and technical staff are involved from development through final delivery, because performance isn't proven in the lab alone. We work directly with installers on real job sites to validate results under real conditions. With facilities and dedicated representatives nationwide, HTS offers technical support and on-site training wherever the job takes you. We measure success the way you do, by the results. HTS Chemical, engineered in the lab, proven on the slab.